today I'm at this awesome pet store. Look, you got tortoises. Hold up. Anything here? Nope. You got little leopard geckos. In the background. Got more tortoises. Hold up. Look, little wizards. You got this one. Where are you, buddy? There you go. I like this one. Look at these ball pythons. Oh my God! Look at this one is shedding. What's down here? Oh dang, that one's big. And here there are caiman in the back. See those? Oh, I heard a puppy. I heard a puppy. Hold up, birds. Yep, I'm coming to the
They got guinea pigs and chinchillas.
Aww, buddies. Hi, guys. Aww. Look at the guinea pig. Look at that guinea pig.
We have a chinchilla over here.
Chinchilla. This is my first time seeing the chinchilla. Is that a rat?
Yeah, they don't have any more ferrets.
Where the ferrets used to be?
There was one in here.
Oh no, my buddy's gone. I used to love ferrets. I love ferrets where I didn't get. Can we hold some? Oh my God, I want to hold a puppy. I want to hold a puppy. Hi, Fluffies. Hi, Fluffies. I want you. You're mine.
You got the money for it?
I want you. You're my future baby.
You got the money for it?
Number 13 is my future baby.
You got the money for it?
No. Mr. Pitcher. Hi, buddy.
You got husky babies?
Oh,
there
no.
used to be 2 of them. I guess somebody bought the other one.
No. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm dying inside. Look at him. Look at him. What is you? A Pomeranian? Oh. I love this dog.
They used to have stingrays.
Where's the one that y'all buying?
Oh,
He's coming.
He coming.
They used to have stingrays and they used to have puffer fish. And I'm so sad.
Ugh. That's nasty. Your face is all up in it, buddy. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. Y'all are beautiful. Oh. Oh.
They must not work today.
Where are
Oh
they?
my gosh, look at this fish.
Look at these angelfish, bro.
Oh my God.
Bro.
Those are batfish. It says batfish.
Batfish, Batman. That would be the perfect fish. If I ever get a bat. Oh, it's dots. It has dots. Oh, you scared of me? Sorry, buddy. I didn't know I scared you. Oh, cool. Look at this black one. Crabs. I want one. Ooh.
They got these
Look at
little
my
hermits.
fish, bro. These
They
are
got
my
hermits.
I'm just sad.
Oh, look at him.
And then they got all these little Nemo.
They even got a. Wait. Is that a starfish? Is that a real starfish? Bro, I just seen a big one over here. Like, no lie. This is a spot. Like, bro.
Oh shoot, I didn't even see that one.
You are my future baby.
I didn't see that.
You are my future baby.
Oh, bro. Look at him. I didn't.
Oh, look at this. Look at all this living stuff back there. Ooh, the little hermit crab. What are these? What are these? They look like spiky snakes. What are these? Sand dollars? Comment below if you know what that is. These are the puppies.
Look at my friends. These are my friends, bro.
Wow, you're awkward.
Bro,
That's a big guy. I love this one. Where is it? Where are you? Where are you?
hey, he's so excited to come out.
Yes. There's 2 of them now.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy. It's 2 of them now.
Where the Pomeranians go?
The Pomeranian's right here.
No, there was 2.
Yeah, there was 2 Pomeranians.
There's one right here.
Yeah, they shaved her hair off because she had something in her.
The dude got it because there was only one Pomeranian.
That's the one y'all getting? Hold up.
That's not the one we get.
Let me go back over here to this chinchilla. Hold up. Hold up. Move him. Oh, that was some jumping action. He just jumped at me. I want to hold one now. I want to hold something.
I don't think you can hold him. You might be able to.
What can I hold?
You got an egg.
What can I hold?
You got an egg.
But do you
I
know what?
You can hold the puppies.
Huh?
He want to know if you can hold the puppies.
I need to hold.
His recording and everything.
You probably can't.
I must hold. Look, he's moving, y'all. You are my friend. I love you. For some reason, you are special. You too. What is up there? Crested gecko?
I don't know.
White line gecko?
See, I'm short.
A chameleon. They got all the good stuff up there. There's a chameleon. They got all the good stuff up
Bro,
there.
that's my favorite lizard. I can't even see him. I'm so short.
There's a look, veiled chameleon.
Ooh, girl.
You scared me.
She's going back. I fell backwards. I'm trying to see him.
Oh, they are adorable. Where are they? Here's one hiding. And here's two back there. Bro, he's literally in the food bowl. Now what I can't believe is that they're actually selling little caiman back there.
Alligators.
Caiman.
Oh, well, they're like,
What's the difference between the alligator, a crocodile, and the caiman? They all look the same.
yeah.
There's only two back here? Dang. Who's ever rich enough to buy them? Tell me. I want one. I want all the freaky stuff. I want all the freaky stuff up in here.
Just eating his nose.
Yeah, you just eating. Dang. I always seen this at home. I always see this.
I feel
Like,
bad for them because it must be extra cramped up in there.
feeder goldfish. I know what they talking about.
Oh,
The
so
ones
those
in
are
there
like
with the
ones to
caiman.
feed? All right. I was wondering why it was so cramped in there.
Bro, some of them don't even get to be feeder goldfish.
They died. Oh, look at you, little beta. Red
Poor beta. He died.
Black orchard beta. Oh my gosh, this light.
I catch these. I catch these all the time.
What, betas?
No,
These
lobster.
little lobster.
Yes, I catch those all the time. What's in here?
I guess they just growing plants in there.
Hold up, I need to show you. What are these? What are these? Oh my god, you are beautiful. Huh?
He's right here. This is where he used to be.
Because they have pufferfish in
Yeah,
there.
they-
Look at the eel swim.
I know. I like this eel, bro.
They didn't give him a little cage.
Who lives in here?
I think they also grow plants in there.
Yeah, they're
There's a
growing.
plant. Well, he's dead.
Oh my gosh, look at that fish stuff.
Oh yeah, look at
The
that
one with-
Now I'm short.
This is the ones with the swirl.
Oh, I'm gonna name him Oreo. Your name is Oreo.
Oh, here's a pufferfish.
Oh, dog-faced pufferfish. Oh, bro, why did they move him up there? Come on, man. Y'all made him
I think he's on
feeder strip. I don't see any shrimp.
Maybe they got
Oh, we are now friends forever. Don't leave me, buddy.
anonymous.
Don't leave me.
Sea anemone. Look at that sea anemone. It's
There's
moving.
another one.
Oh my god, I want to touch them.
Oh my gosh, I thought something was touching me. That,
Anonymous.
that one moving
Oh,
though.
look at the clownfish. So tiny.
Girl,
I love
something
clownfish.
was touching me. I'm not lying. I thought something was touching me.
Starfish. I love starfish.
Next time I come here, I'm bringing $120. I need to babysit them kids now. I need to babysit them kids again.
Probably about like 2,000.
How do y'all get in the dog game?
Because mama paid for me.
Where's that eel? Where's that spotted eel? Where's my buddy? Did they already just take out my buddy? Oh no, my buddy right here. You need some air? Listen to me. Listen to me when
You're
I'm talking.
bothering him.
Listen to me when I'm
He
talking.
said you're bothering him.
Leave him alone. He's just a him. What are these little things?
Are these
I don't
more
know.
hermits? There's a tiny sea
Oh,
star
there
up
used
in
to be
there.
a sand dollar in there.
You see that tiny little sea star back there?
Where?
It looked like a tiny sea star.
I see one right here.
Yeah,
Oh,
and then there's
yeah,
one right
I see-
there.
I
But
see
why
it.
it look like he got 8 legs?
Well, that's it for this. Oh wait, plastic shrimp. I must get one.
It looked like they got 8 legs.
Plastic shrimp. I love plastic shrimp.
So apparently they're
I love
giving
plastic.
Bentley a bath.
Dang, this one's big. Well, bye, guys. This is it for today. Because everything is moving.
See, these fish look cool right now.
So, bye.